Welcome to the English Mood Podcast.
Hello, and welcome back to English Mood Podcast. Welcome to another shadowing practice session. I'm really happy you're here today. Relax your body, relax your face, and get ready to speak English with me. Today is not about studying difficult grammar or big vocabulary. Today is about something much more important. Using your voice. Because listening is good, but speaking changes your confidence. And confidence changes everything. If you want to speak English naturally, you must practice speaking out loud. Not only in your head, not silently, but with your real voice. That is why we are doing this shadowing session. If you are a beginner, this is perfect for you. We will start simple. We will go step by step, and you will feel more comfortable by the end. Here is how it works. I say a sentence. You listen carefully. Then you repeat after me. You can pause if you need more time. You can repeat each sentence 2 or 3 times. There is no pressure here. Only practice. And remember something important. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. Even 10 minutes a day can improve your English. So if you are ready, let's begin. Speak clearly, speak confidently, and speak out loud. Let's start with easy sentences about daily life. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. Nice. I am a beginner and that is okay. I am a beginner and that is okay. I am a beginner and that is okay. Very good. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. Excellent. Today is a good day to learn. Today is a good day to learn. Today is a good day to learn. Great job. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Good. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. Nice. I go to school. I go to school. I go to school. Very good. I try to improve a little every day. I try to improve a little every day. I try to improve a little every day. Wonderful. I am proud of myself for practicing. I am proud of myself for practicing. I am proud of myself for practicing. Amazing. You just completed your first 10 sentences. Take a breath. Relax your shoulders. You are doing great. Now let's practice useful conversation sentences. Imagine you are speaking to someone. Repeat after me. How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? Good. I am feeling good today. I am feeling good today. I am feeling good today. Nice. I am a little tired, but I am okay. I am a little tired, but I am okay. I am a little tired, but I am okay. Very natural. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Good. I am from France. I am from France. I am from France. Excellent. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Great. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Good. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. Very good. I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. Nice. In my free time, I like listening to music. In my free time, I like listening to music. In my free time, I like listening to music. Beautiful. You have completed 20 sentences. You are warming up. Your mouth is getting used to English sounds. Your brain is adjusting. And that is exactly what we want. Now, let's go a little deeper. Still simple, but more expressive. Repeat after me. Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English. Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English. Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English. Good. But I do not stop practicing. But I do not stop practicing. But I do not stop practicing. Nice. Every mistake helps me learn. Every mistake helps me learn. Every mistake helps me learn. Very good. I am building my confidence step by step. I am building my confidence step by step. I am building my confidence step by step. Excellent. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently. Good. I want to travel and use English. I want to travel and use English. I want to travel and use English. Nice. I want better job opportunities. I want better job opportunities. I want better job opportunities. Very good. I believe in my progress. I believe in my progress. I believe in my progress. Great. Even small practice makes a big difference. Even small practice makes a big difference. Even small practice makes a big difference. Wonderful. I am stronger than my fear. I am stronger than my fear. I am stronger than my fear. Fantastic. You are doing something powerful right now. You are not just listening. You are speaking. And that changes your confidence. Let's practice slightly longer sentences. Stay calm. Stay focused. Repeat after me. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English every day. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English every day. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English every day. Excellent. When I practice regularly, I see real improvement. When I practice regularly, I see real improvement. When I practice regularly, I see real improvement. Good. I do not compare myself to others. I do not compare myself to others. I do not compare myself to others. Nice. I focus on my own learning journey. I focus on my own learning journey. I focus on my own learning journey. Very good. Sometimes progress feels slow, but I keep going. Sometimes progress feels slow, but I keep going. Sometimes progress feels slow, but I keep going. Excellent. Speaking out loud helps me remember words better. Speaking out loud helps me remember words better. Speaking out loud helps me remember words better. Great. I am creating strong English habits for my future. I am creating strong English habits for my future. I am creating strong English habits for my future. Nice. I show up even when I do not feel motivated. I show up even when I do not feel motivated. I show up even when I do not feel motivated. Very powerful. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. Beautiful. This is just the beginning of my English journey. This is just the beginning of my English journey. This is just the beginning of my English journey. And that is 40 sentences. 40 sentences spoken out loud. That is not small. That is real effort. Take a slow breath. Notice how your voice feels now. Maybe it feels more relaxed. Maybe it feels stronger. That is progress. You showed up today. You practiced. You did not give up. And that matters more than perfect pronunciation. Remember this. Fluency is not magic. Fluency is repetition. Fluency is daily action. Fluency is courage. If you come back tomorrow and practice again, you will feel even better. Little by little, step by step, day by day, you are building something powerful. And I am proud of you. If you enjoyed this shadowing session, please support English Mood Podcast. Like this episode. Leave a comment and tell me how you felt during today's practice. Was it easy? Was it challenging? I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next shadowing challenge. Tomorrow, we will practice more sentences. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep improving your English mood. See you in the next episode.